The chief executive member of Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, Dee Khan, along with other MDCs, today met the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma at the main secretariat in Shillong and also sought clarification from him on the words village council mentioned in the proposed amendment to be sent to the government recommending for amendment of the sixth schedule of the constitution. Speaking to the media, Dee Khan said that in the Khas Hills Autonomous District Council, we do have the village Darbar, and in Garo Hills, they may have the village council. Khan also informed that during the discussions with the Chief Minister, he was told that the state government will soon release an amount of rupees 60 crores to the KHADC to meet its financial requirement.
Penduk kecungi kelong halor kajimi haki plat patai kubur kembali ke kabinet ke badang depsien ba kadon kajing rai nak kalian kabinet berbeda ba kabinet council kabanakan yang kajungi ngim snow ya hab cimut lani ngim sutu ba dena takadau iwan ba penduk markmat bu minister ban pan ya kajing pensyai halor dari pemerintah ban hadin pangilaya keren ba nak kalian ship minister ba kajing rekat dari deputy ship minister ila pensyai ba ya ka jing ya ka kentien village council la bu lam ru ba ka kentien village dorbar ka bamut ba haki jaka ba ka village dorbar ka trekam ka bamut hakasi jentia ka trekam ka village dorbar tak balik si Garu Hills lani haki nu nugi jaka ki bas ngawe hab ka village council kila ban petrekam ka village council ka bamut ba ka kentien village dorbar kam shimja lani klem penja na ka propose amendment ni constitution takadau kam shimdan kanu nugi cing suku bakla mi bat kalong ka basyai bana kalian bersokar kim shimle kanu ka bakla bat bila le thik kat kum ka jing ajimut jungi council bat hakaju bapuar na kalian CM la om ni ba sian ngin salai lang sedelhi ba de kendu bat ki official jong ka home ministry banang kham pensyai syu halo kani ka nungrem ka bami ngiyang kanang bakan numanra kan unu kajing stu bakala lani kajing le bakala na kalian jong ka ministry hakapur baki approve ya ka amendment habede baki scheme ki basa ki jongi baro kai ru nilai keren pada kalian CM ulah ai ka assurance mentan pa pelai no